I'm Matt, and today we're going to go over how to set up a single screen in AI. So a single screen is one of the most basic setups, and we're going to take you through start to finish how to get something from your media server onto your display. So the first thing we're going to do is on the right hand side you've got the AI logo. We're going to go to Stage, Stage Construction, and now we can create our first screen. So on the left hand side here we've got the screen fixture. If I give that a click, we'll see a screen populates our space. The green means that's selected, and we see all the properties of the clip on the right hand side here. Now for a standard screen we have a ratio of 16 by 9, and that means 16 units of width for every 9 units of height. And in AI we can change this with the scale width and scale height. So to start us off, we will just do a 1.6 and a 0.9 and hit enter. And you can see that's changed the screen to the normal widescreen setup. The scale width and scale height can be any units of measure. They could be meters, feet, or even just a scale. So here I've just done a scale of 1. The other thing we need with the screen is 1920 by 1080 pixels. So for our canvas res X, I will go 1920, tab will take us to our next one. Canvas res Y, we will go 1080. And there we are, that's our full HD screen setup. The next thing we'll do is go to the bottom right hand corner, Performance, and we can select a bit of media to send on this screen and see it in your middle of your performance page right here. Next, we will go to the output page. So that's bottom right, output, outputs, the 3 DVI connectors. And on this view, you've got 2 sides. On the left, we have our canvas. That's what we set up in the canvas stage construction page. So this is our full 1920 by 1080 canvas. And on the right hand side, we have 1 through 8 at the top. And each of these represent our physical outputs on our server. So 1 will always be occupied by the user interface. So for our first output, we're going to go on output 2 of the server. We select our rectangular selection tool on the left here, and that allows us to draw a region. On the left hand side, you see a box, and then on the right hand side, we can draw another region. And now you can see that it's only populating what's within this square on the right hand side. If we want to make it full screen, we can go to our selection tool on the left, double click our square, and that will sample the entire region on our canvas here. So you can see it filling this part of the output. Now if we want to go full screen on our output, we do the same thing, double click there. Now if you're using a specific size screen, say an LED processor that's only running at 720, you can actually enter those values in the boxes here. So if we wanted 720, you can see that it's now occupying that exact space. So we have our size and our position and our output region selector there. We'll just take that back to 1080. And the same's true over on the left hand side. So you can sample exactly the size of the region that you need and output exactly that. And then now that we're sending on our output, you can see a white dot in this blue square here. That means that that output is active for that fixture. So we know that we're now sending this on output 2. And for our live performance, we just go back to the performance page and we can play any clip needed for the performance. And that is how to set up a basic 16 by 9 full HD screen. See you guys soon, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.